Thank you for watching Public Education Channel. My name is Mohammad Babar and today I am going to talk learn Urdu through English language. If you are Englishman or belong to any country and you know English and you can speak English, it will be very easy for you to learn Urdu. If you want to learn Urdu, then you have to learn the basic sounds of Urdu language. For example, I say alif and check the sound of alif. ALIF. You say in English alphabets and we say in Urdu huruf tahji. You say A to Z, A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z, and we say alif be pe te te se jim che he khe dal dal zal re ade ye सीन शीन स्वाद ज़्वाद तोय ज़ोय आइन गाइन फे काफ क्याफ गाफ लाम मीम नून वाओ हमजा छोटी ये and बड़ी ये. So I tell you, if you learn the basic sounds of Urdu, then it will be very easy for you to speak Urdu. So soon I will start the classes of on whiteboard to learn Urdu. If you want to learn Urdu, subscribe my channel and press the bell button icon. We will meet with the next time with another video. Till then, bye bye. Allah Hafiz.